so many great little details everywhere you look on this thing. What a cool rig. Now here's quite the little oddball. People think UTVs are a new thing. This guy's half a century old. Obviously European. Puck also made little motorbike scooters. And then obviously the Pathfinder. Cool little rig. I believe that's a gasoline heater. A lot of your little gas air-cooled vehicles, Corvairs and Volkswagens, had that gasoline heater. I'm not really sure how safe they were, and I'm not really sure how well they worked. Just kind of piece to see in there to show the historical interest of the vehicle. Here we've got the white dump truck. Next to it, the Ford C-Series truck. These are built late 50s into the 90s. This one's going to be late 60s, early 70s, because it has the chrome marker reflector on the doors. 54 Chevy, 1 year only, wraparound windshield, big 3-bar grill. They did build them into early 55. Got the old V8 S10. That was the big thing in the 90s. Everybody V8'd their S10s. Got the white Freightliner. Big AC unit on the roof there. Another one just like it. Reminds you of all the old trucking movies. just blown away and amazed to see two 100-year-old Internationals next to each other. The C-Cab delivery truck here, just a real treat to look at. Got the old cracked lacquer paint on it. It says solid rubber tires. They're not pneumatic inflated tires with tubes. Got the old brass headlights. You see the radiator there is actually mounted up on the cowl. Back in the day, it was treacherous traveling, so they had to carry extra water and gasoline and oil. Fairly basic handbrake, clutch, brake. It's not like the Model T with the individual pedals. This old truck's got some history to it. The old Kansas license plate there, between 1913 and I believe 1920. They did not have the year, so that was just based on the color. It could be 1917, 1918. Close up of this cracked lacquer. Some of these old trucks were chain drive. This one has a conventional propeller shaft. This one has conventional leaf springs. Some of them had like 3/4 elliptics. This radiator is super cool. Just a neat relic of its time. Really changes the whole look of the vehicle with the hood and everything, having that radiator mounted back there. Great old relic of our country's transportation history. Get you a close-up of the propeller shaft there. Old universal joint, pretty early style of that. This truck really, in a lot of ways, is just a piece of unique engineering, unique art. The old Mack. This truck has an excellent restoration done on it. Very fastidious attention to detail.